What's up, yo? Welcome back to another video, and yes, I'm wearing a hat in the house because my hair is messy. But anyways, you guys have completed the challenge. You have got me to 30 subscribers, and you have got me to 2K views on that video. I can't believe you guys did that. Oh my gosh, I am just in one day too. That's amazing. I am so honored. Thank you for all the support. And as a treat, I promise I will give you that treat. And here are the veloceraptor sounds. By the way, if you want to use these in your videos, these sound effects, then you could use them. And I just wanted to say thank you. So here we go into the veloceraptor sounds. Bye.